A tap, a swipe, a click. In the world of instant gratification, the credit card is king. It's the key to the life you want, the quick fix for the emergency you didn't see coming, the ultimate symbol of financial freedom. But this piece of plastic, this passport to possibility, holds a darker secret. It's a carefully designed system, a gilded trap where the convenience you're sold comes at a cost you might not see until it's too late. What if the freedom it promises is just an illusion and the real price is your own? It all starts with the fine print, the complex machinery that turns your spending into their profit. The engine of this machine is the annual percentage rate, or APR. Picture it as a relentless tax on your debt. When you carry a balance, this interest compounds, growing your debt exponentially. Then come the annual fees, a yearly subscription for the privilege of spending your own future money. And if you miss a payment, even by a day, late fees and penalty APRs kick in, tightening the screws. These aren't just minor charges, they are precision tools designed to extract wealth, creating a constant upward flow of billions from consumers to the coffers of major financial institutions. For them, your debt isn't a problem. It's a product, and a highly profitable one at that. This is how the debt spiral begins. It often starts small, with just a few $100s you plan to pay off next month. But then, you see the minimum payment on your statement, a deceptively small number that feels manageable. Paying just the minimum is like trying to bail out a sinking ship with a teaspoon. The vast majority of that payment goes straight to interest, while your principal debt barely shrinks. The statements start to pile up, each one a paper-thin shackle, and the weight becomes psychological. It's a feeling of drowning, of being buried under a mountain of your own making, a constant stress that seeps into every corner of your life, all while the interest clock keeps ticking relentlessly. The credit card industry didn't become a titan by accident. Its journey from a simple convenience in the mid-20th century to a global financial powerhouse is a story of strategic growth and immense profitability. Year after year, the profits from credit card divisions of major banks are staggering, reaching into the tens of billions of dollars. This astronomical wealth is built transaction by transaction on the interest, fees, and penalties paid by millions. Behind the charts and corporate earnings reports are real people. People who used a card for a medical emergency, to cover bills between jobs, or simply got caught up in the allure of buy now, pay later, only to find themselves ensnared in a decade-long battle with debt they can't seem to escape. But this isn't a story without hope. The power to break the cycle lies in awareness and deliberate action. Understanding the terms of your card, creating a budget, and committing to paying more than the minimum are the first steps toward reclaiming your financial autonomy. True financial freedom isn't about unlimited credit. It's about control, knowledge, and making conscious choices. It's about recognizing the card for what it is, a tool, not a solution. By learning to use it wisely and avoiding its hidden traps, you can tip the scales back in your favor, achieving a balance where your money works for you, not for the banks.